So this is my truck rig, and this truck rig is actually being made with the same type of jiggle system that I have in another video, where you're basically having two different offsets, or sorry, a bunch of different offsets from this locator here that's driving a bunch of different groups. And here's what I mean. So if I press interactive playback and I move it around, this truck body thing is being jiggled by this top, and also this like fence guy here is also being jiggled. So you get two different kind of like modes of jiggle, I guess. That's the best way to describe it. So kind of interesting. I don't know. It's kind of fun. It's a fun little project to do. My friend Stevie made this model. There's a couple of other things to show with this. There's the tread cycle. This is used uses a motion chain, like a motion path to drive these treads, as well as basically just a bunch of math in the node editor to drive these wheels over here. You can also go backwards and stuff. Now, if you also have both tread cycles, you can see that they both work. See? And I just have different controls. You can move around these little wheels here if you want. Another cool thing I have here is that these two wheels can be moved either by themselves or with a steering wheel. So that's using a condition node in the node editor. So if I just make the wheel spin, obviously it spins properly. And if I make them move, I can make them spin and it still spins correctly, right? But what if I wanted this steering wheel to drive the car? What you can do is you can toggle this on. Whoops. You can toggle it on, and now whenever I move the wheel, or rather the steering wheel, the other two wheels move as well. And you can offset this by you can do some wacky stuff with it, make an interesting pose with the vehicle, and it still spins properly. Look at that. Just amazing. Wow, look at me go. There's a bunch of other stuff that's kind of just fun to do, like, this trunk moves up and down a little bit. You got some just like random miscellaneous parts that are just kind of like floating around here. It's like a model out of Metal Slug. So it's supposed to be, I kind of like the model of it just being, you can just kind of do whatever you want with it. Like just lots of parts are just kind of flapping around and everything. And, there's more you can do with it, but I like what it looks like so far. And yeah, that's my rig. Let me know what you guys think.